Kung nag-iisip kayo ng ihahanda sa Pasko, eto na. Start na natin yung Christmas series. First dish ay buffalo wings. I'm using half a kilo of chicken, add in garlic, powder, paprika, salt and pepper, and cornstarch for that crispy factor. Make sure to mix this well and fry in medium-high heat until golden to set this side. Sa buffalo sauce, madali lang yan. Ilagay nyo lang lahat ng ingredients, adjust accordingly sa dami ng manok. Make sure to let the sauce thick. While the sauce is thickening, second fry nyo yung chicken in high heat for 2 minutes. Add the chicken dun sa buffalo sauce and let it cook. Enough para maging sticky. Mahal sour cream, so yogurt ang ginamit ko. And yes, ganyan lang kasimple yung white sauce. Mix this well at ayan na, meron ka ng first handa sa Pasko. And of course, many more to go. At yun lang. Bye!